anh chơi chuyện đó hỏi
thế hai lúc cả hôm này
wow bây giờ cái hai lúc có nó
hai lúc đừng nó cả rất là tốt
wow wow wow
chừng tôi mới hỏi
wow là thổi có sao nữa nó cần chẳng taoเลย
chừng tôi mới
wow
I felt like God was healing me in the midst as you were praying for me. And as you lifted your hand off, I feel like a corn was just pulled out.
so Jane you gave your life to Jesus today wow you say you when we was praying for you ก็บอกว่า a hand of God แล้วตัวก็สัตย์ไปเหรอ wow how they feel like you share so ก็แบบ so we was moving right so it was very dark right all sun is starting to get bright wow shiny wow what do you feel on your body so today you have decided to turn away from the homosexual lifestyle and so far because you're eating sister in Christ a daughter of the Most High God นะพี่น้อง wow that's so awesome wow so what did you see when we was praying for you 特別頭一次嗰個bỏ一次
For the phone.
wow 個bỏ得空
Yeah.
Jesus heal you? Jesus heal you today?
Yeah.
Jesus heal you, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
We just got down praying for you to accept Jesus, right?
Yeah.
Because the most is to live young. But today, you accept it, right? Hey, so Melinda, wow, so what happened? You accepted Jesus.
Yes, I did.
Becky, today you gave your life to Jesus. What happened? What happened? How are you feeling right now?
Well, I just feel enlightened again.
Wow.
You know, it's been a while since someone's prayed for me like that.
You have a string on there, right? A red one?